What I like is that these are convenient. They're easy to carry and they provide that menthol sensation that my throat needs. They're sugar-free suppressant drops. They work very effectively in all seasons, whether you're in allergy season or flu season, cough season. This works really well. This is one of the favorites of my son who goes through a lot of throat issues. Has 7.6 milligrams of menthol in it. So it's one of the stronger ones on the market. That's why a lot of people like it. Check out Halls. You'll be glad you did.